For our mobility movements today, we're going to be in what we call a child's pose position. So you're probably going to want something to make it comfortable to kneel on the floor. So we do have a yoga mat. Whether you're using it lengthwise or the other way, widthwise, it doesn't really matter. It's just a matter of keeping your knees comfortable while you're in a kneeling position. Our movements today are going to be child's pose, just traditional child's pose, shifting weight back. Child's pose off to the side. Child's pose one arm at a time, which does change the original child's pose position into a more of a shoulder stretch. Then we're going to do two thread the needles. Thread the needle traditional, which is just across the rib cage, and then a thread the needle where we're trying to grab through our legs back to our ankle, which is actually a great rotation stretch. So I'm going to walk through explaining, and then I will just do a stack where flowing from one to the next. All right, so I'm going to go from the side. Remember, just because you're not as flexible as you were when you were a kid doesn't mean you can't get better. I am semi-unflexible, but I'm working to get better. You may move through easier in certain positions than I do. Maybe I move through easier than you do. But we're just trying to get better. All right. So, feet out like so, not like this. And we're just going to put our weight onto our palm and push away. Key, forgot, breathe. Breathing naturally relaxes us, all right? So just push away. I generally go breath in, and then as I'm pushing, I'll breathe out. Okay? Then I will bring one hand over and child's pose away to the other side. I'm actually shifting my weight at an angle this way towards my back cheek. Other side. So I'm getting that right through here, okay? And now one arm, so I'll put one arm behind my back, push away, and then drop that elbow right here to the ground and shift away. That's gonna get me right up behind here, okay? So then the other, shift, push away, then drop that elbow to the ground. Come up. Then we're in our quadruped position, which is on all fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to thread the needle. Where most people thread in properly is they start to reach across and then just drop their shoulder down. What we want to do is reach across as far as we can. Then allow the shoulder to get closer to the ground. You'll get a better rotation. So reach as far as you can get. Then drop. That's thread the needle. Now I'm going to reach between my legs, grab my ankle, see my fingers right there, and pull myself down towards the ground. Then the other way. That would be one rep of our child's pose kneeling stack. All right, so I'm going to work through it one rep. Remember, you can do 1 rep, 2 reps, 3, 5. We're just trying to relax. Some days you have more time. Some days you're more stiff. So however you're feeling, it's great for a warm-up. It's great for loosening up your lower back and your shoulders. So for like an upper body focused workout, it would be great to help loosen up for a warm-up or a cool down as part of a relaxation moment. Okay, probably don't want to do anything for more than 5 minutes anyway. So 3 to 5 reps is generally perfect. All right, so let's just go through a stack. Push away, hands together, shift away, hands other side, shift away. One arm, push away, then drop your elbow. One arm, shift away, then drop your elbow. Thread the needle across. I do have my palm facing up. Then go down. Thread the needle across. Then go down. Thread through. And thread through. child's pose, side child's pose, one arm pose, thread the needle, and then through is what we call that last one. All right? Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.